Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. No restriction on number of capitals, Centre tells Andhra Pradesh HC. The centre, which has already made it clear that it would not interfere into the location of the capital and its shifting, had once again come clean on the issue, saying it was not against the trifurcation too. The centre had filed two affidavits relating to the capital issue in the Andhra Pradesh High Court, stating that it would not get into the way of the state with regard to the decision on capital. It filed another affidavit in the High Court stating that there was nothing wrong in having three capitals as per the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. It said that there was no mention stating that Andhra Pradesh should have only one capital in the act. The Home Ministry made it clear that the petitioner Sambasiva Rao's argument on three capitals was just an illusion. Kollur will become a model township in the country, Pocharam. Legislative Assembly Speaker Pocharam Srinivas Reddy, accompanied by MA and UD Minister KT Rama Rao and Housing Minister Vemula Prashant Reddy, inspected the 2 BHK Dignity Housing Project site at Kollur here on Thursday. The Speaker and the Ministers reviewed the various amenities available at the high-rise model township and also held a meeting with officials and contract agencies. The MA and UD Minister said 1 lakh double-bedroom dignity houses were being constructed and by the government, out of which about 85,000 dignity houses will be handed over to the beneficiaries in GHMC limits by the end of December 2020. Andhra Pradesh reports 10,175 new COVID-19 cases, 68 deaths. Andhra Pradesh reported 10,175 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday, taking the cumulative caseload to 5,37,687. The COVID-19 death toll rose to 4,702 as 68 more people succumbed to the virus in the past 24 hours in the state. There are currently 97,338 active COVID-19 cases in the state with the 4,35,647 cumulative recoveries and 4,702 deaths, translating to the recovery rate of 81.02%. Liquid oxygen plant coming up at Khammam District Hospital. Giving up a fillip to infrastructure development at the district government hospital, here a modern liquid oxygen plant was being installed at the hospital. The plant is being set up following the decision of the state government to ensure non-stop supply of oxygen in all the district hospitals of the state to address shortage of oxygen and logistics problems involved in cylinder filling and transportation for use at the hospitals. The collector visited the hospital on Thursday and inspected the oxygen plant works. Speaking to the press persons on the occasion, he informed that the capacity of the liquid oxygen tank was 13,000 liters. Reopen theatres, film delegation to CM Yediyurappa. A delegation of around 20 members of the Kannada film industry made Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa seeking relief measures including reopening of theatres and subsidies to revive Sandalwood. The delegation led by actor Shivraj Kumar and Jairaj, President, Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce, met the CM at his official residence. They will meet Deputy Chief Minister Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan on Thursday to take the matter forward. Ayushman Bharat, most useless health scheme, says Telangana CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao. CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao dubbed it as the most useless of all health schemes, as many as diseases as Arogyasri, the state's health scheme, does. Ayushman Bharat is the most useless of all the health schemes, he said, and pointed out that he was game if the centre releases the Ayushman Bharat funds and allows the state to use them for Arogyasri. Hyderabad Metro records 31,000 footfall as all corridors open. The Hyderabad Metro recorded a footfall of 31,000 after all the three corridors become functional. The HMRL used to witness between 2.5 lakh to 3 lakh footfall on a daily basis before the lockdown was implemented. The highest footfall was recorded on LB Nagar to Miapur line and the least was recorded from JBS to Falaknuma. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe By and Times.